Hello good people of the internet, my name is Hexa. Welcome back to my channel and to today's video where I'm going to be showing you guys what I got from Good Molecules in my first ever PR package from them, and also how or why I think I got them to send me this package. So first of all, this isn't technically my first ever PR package. I've gotten one piece of PR. It wasn't a package. It was one pair of lashes that was sent to me for free like 2 years ago from a kind of unknown Chinese false eyelashes brand. But this is the first PR package that I've received from an actual reputable and well-known brand. So Good Molecules reached out to me, I don't know, I feel like about a month ago or so, and they basically just said that they saw my content on Instagram and they liked it and they wanted to send a few goodies my way for me to try out. Of course, they had hinted that they hoped that I would post with it, but there was no obligation to post. A lot of the time when you are a smaller content creator, brands will send you PR in exchange for a post without actually paying you. It's, PR with obligations, and I have mixed feelings about this. I think that when you're just starting out, it is okay to accept those kinds of deals just because, especially if you're not making a lot of money with content creation, buying product to make content with can get quite expensive, and so you kind of need those products to be able to have something to shoot and to put up on your social media. But on the other hand, it is also kind of disrespectful because they're not really paying you for your work. That being said, I have accepted deals like this before, and I probably will continue to, at least until a point where I start getting, enough paid deals that I feel comfortable turning PR with obligations down. But that being said, again, making it clear, Good Molecules was not PR with obligations. They just sent this to me as a gift and, I guess cross their fingers that I would make content with it, and of course I will because I love this brand and I'm very grateful for this package. Something else that I think helped me secure this PR package, I'm not sure if it did, but I have a suspicion that this helped, was that I actually put my email address in the bio on my Instagram. So on Instagram, usually there's some buttons underneath your profile, and one of them is an email button where you can click it and it just automatically opens up an email to send an email to that influencer or to that brand or to that person. So I always had my email address in that little email button underneath my profile, but I never had my email address actually written into the bio. But I saw that a lot of small content creators had their email in the bio and on the email button. And so I thought, okay, I'll just try it out. So I added a line to my bio and said, PR/collabs, and then my email address. And it was just a few days after I made that change that I actually got reached out to for this PR package. So maybe leaving your email in your bio and saying that you're PR friendly might encourage brands to want to reach out to you. But yeah, so they basically just sent me an email and they asked for, my skin type and any skin concerns that I had so that they could pick out products that would work well for me. And of course, the first thing I did was just look them up and look at the email address and everything and try to figure out if this was a scam because it just felt a little too good to be true. But I verified that the email address was legit, and I emailed them back and I said that I would be really happy and grateful to receive this package, and I just told them some information about my skin type and stuff and gave them my contact information and then my shipping information, and then a few what is happening? And then a few weeks after that, the box came in the mail. So let's just open it up and show you what I got. It's a very cute package. I've already opened it for an Instagram reel and TikTok. But look at this. I love their aesthetic. I love their colors. It's so pretty and colorful. It says never tested on animals. And they have a little paper here. See a difference in your skin, with some information about the brand, and also this little card to let us know that it's now available at Ulta. So they sent me the niacinamide brightening toner formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, and licorice root extract to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores. I know niacinamide is really great for balancing the oils in your skin. If you have oily skin, it helps to kind of control that a little bit. This is what the bottle looks like. It's very nice. It's a glass bottle. really luxurious feeling packaging, very minimalistic but like slightly colorful packaging, which I really like. Then we have the overnight exfoliating treatment formulated with AHA and BHA to help resurface and renew skin. So this has glycolic, lactic, and salicylic acid. I have tried this serum before and it is one of my favorite skincare products I've ever tried. It's like one of those products where I genuinely did see and feel the difference in my skin. It left my skin texture feeling a lot smoother, and I didn't use it like super consistently as I should have, but I think if I do use it consistently, which I'm going to be doing now, it would hopefully make a difference also with like the blackheads that I have on my nose. But yeah, the great thing about this is that it has AHA and BHA, which means that, so AHAs kind of exfoliate on the surface level of the skin. They kind of like strip the top layer of the skin, allowing it to renew and get like kind of smoother and retexturized. And BHAs go deeper into the layers of the skin and they help unclog pores and they help with like blackheads and blemishes and stuff like that. So I really like that this one has both of those types of acids in one, and it's a really pretty bottle, just with a little glass bottle with a dropper tool. Then we have the discoloration correcting serum formulated with cetyltranexamate mesylate. Oh my god, I can't say this. Formulated with cetyltranexamate mesylate to target discoloration and promote an even skin tone. I love the color of this box. It's such a crazy shade of green. And this is what this one looks like. It is in a dark colored bottle, so I'm guessing that's probably protecting it from UV rays. This one came with a little bit of a defect. The dropper tool doesn't work. Like, I don't know, I squeeze it and like nothing comes out, but it's not a huge problem. I can still use it. Like I can still pour the serum out. I'm sure if I actually like asked them for a replacement, they would send one, because Good Molecules is, I believe, owned by Beautylish, which is like an online retailer based out of San Francisco. And they have one of the best customer service experiences I have ever had. They are amazing. So I'm sure that, you know, if you ordered from them and you had a problem with the dropper or anything like that, they would 100% send you a replacement. But, you know, I mean, it's not a huge problem, so I didn't want to be like a begging chooser and be like, hey, could you please send me a replacement just because the dropper doesn't work. This has like, I don't know, it's like a white colored serum and it has like some little chunks inside of it that look kind of like salt, and I'm not sure what those are for, but yeah, I don't know. I don't have a ton of discoloration, but I'm still gonna use this and just see if it makes a difference. I mean, I don't know, sometimes maybe I get some like redness on my cheeks, or if I've had like a pimple like in the middle of my forehead right here, then my skin will be a little bit red or a little bit scarred, so maybe this might help with that. And then the last product they sent me is a little small size of their silicone-free priming moisturizer formulated with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and a plant-derived silicone alternative to deeply hydrate, smooth, and nourish the skin. I don't really wear makeup almost ever anymore, so I don't really need a primer, but this is a priming moisturizer, and I honestly, like, it doesn't feel like makeup on the skin, so if you don't wear makeup, you can definitely just use this as a normal moisturizer. It comes in a little tube like this. It's so pretty. And you just squeeze the little, I don't want to waste the product, but it just has a little pump. So yeah, that was everything that they sent me. This package made me so happy, and it just made me feel like I am finally becoming a real influencer. Like, oh my gosh, a brand that I have personally spent my hard-earned money on in the past to buy their products has given me their products for free just because they like my content. Like, that is like so validating, and I felt so grateful for this, and I really hope that I'll have the opportunity to be able to work with Good Molecules again in the future, and I don't know, maybe when I have more followers they'll even do a sponsored post with me. That would be like amazing. But yeah, thank you so much to Beautylish and Good Molecules for sending me this package. I would highly recommend this brand. They are really high quality, the packaging is amazing, and they really use science-backed simple ingredients. There's no crazy scents, there's no gimmicks with this brand. It's just really good quality, science science-backed skincare, and it's super affordable. So there we go. That was the story of how I got my first legit PR package from a super legit brand and how I'm finally turning into a real life influencer. Please let me know if you guys want more videos like this in the future about kind of like being a micro-influencer, receiving PR, working with brands, and all of that kind of stuff. Leave me your questions in the comments down below and I'll make sure to answer them in a future video. Also, let me know how you feel about this setup, this background. Am I good here? Is the lighting okay? Is it too casual? Is the background too boring? I don't know. Let me know. I'm trying to figure out my setup right now, but like my life is a little bit chaotic and I don't know. But without any further ado, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.